Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You're watching Skyway News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. From today's issue, you will get to know about the progress of work at SkyWay Innovation Center in Sharjah, construction of facilities for Skyway Technology Company in Belarus, creation of rolling stock, and, of course, we will also recall the main event of the summer, EcoFest 2019. And now about all this in more detail. As regards Skyway Innovation Center in Sharjah, dismantling of the formwork of roof slabs on both anchor supports of the first line as well as the scaffolding was completely finished, so that the builders could begin the most important part of the work, installation of a pre-stressed flexible string rail track structure of sagging type. After that, installation of anchor units that are designed for a horizontal load of 250 tons, from pretensioning of strings, temperature and wind impact will begin. Preparatory work for unwinding of high-strength ropes to perform the role of strings has also started. The guest house is undergoing roofing works and installation of windows and doors. The operational documentation for the first test section of the flexible track structure has been worked out, and installation procedure for the second and third test sections, double and monorail track structure respectively, is already in the process of preliminary development. Nevertheless, the most important events of the last week took place in Belarus, and now we will dwell on them. Construction of the new production complex in Silitsky Street is completed, and at the moment, the Acceptance Commission is working at the facility. This complex will allow adapting rapidly production processes to the current needs of the engineering company developer of Unitsky Skyway Transport. A roof slab of the first anchor support at the second truss structure was concreted in Eco-Technopark, so in a few days, when the formwork is removed, the builders will begin the most important part of work, installation of anchor units, to which the track structure will be attached. The fourth EcoFest was held on the 17th of August. We have already reported on its results in our news releases, and we will continue to highlight and analyze them. However, today we are going to answer one of the most frequent questions from festival guests: why they were not able to ride in all types of vehicles. The chief designer of the city transport complex, Viktor Garach, will be our consultant.
Не катали пассажиров, поскольку не был сертифицирован транспорт в части перевозки непосредственно пассажиров самих.
То есть пассажиры катались исключительно там, где гарантированно, надежно подтверждено государственными бумагами, с печатями, подписями, так я понимаю?
Да, все правильно. На испытаниях мы подтверждаем технические характеристики, надежность, безопасность, а сертификация, она является проверкой функции безопасности, то есть обеспечение безопасности непосредственно перевозки, непосредственно обеспечение услуги по перевозке. EcoFest для нас не точка отсчета, откуда мы идем и куда мы должны перейти. У нас есть планы, поэтому в некоторых ситуациях проведение сертификации, оно бы отодвинуло дальнейшие работы по внедрению, по отработке системы узлов, потому что отработка системы узлов нам необходима для того, чтобы потом на отработанных сертифицированных серийных узлах строить